Hi there, students. A nomad, accountable noun. And then you could have the adjective nomadic. I think you can also have nomadical, but I think nomadic is probably better. And then nomadically as well as an adverb. Okay, a nomad is a member of a group of people or a tribe who move from place to place. They don't live all the time in one place. They move on to the next place and move on to the next place. So humans, when they were hunter-gatherers, were nomads. They led a nomadic lifestyle. They lived nomadically. But when humans started farming and started to discover farming, that's when they settled down and stopped their nomadic lifestyle. I guess there are nomadic tribes who live in the desert. Yeah, they move from place to place. Well, there are probably still some nomadic tribes, but probably not very many anymore. Yeah, so nomads, they may exist, but they go from place to place. A nomadic existence. Then you can also use this metaphorically to say that somebody who never stays a long time in the same place. Yeah, somebody who wanders from place to place but never puts down roots or stays there. I guess the Romani gypsies they live a nomadic lifestyle, or maybe they used to. I guess my lifestyle has been somewhat nomadic. I've lived in many different places, and I think I consider where I am to be my home. I think it's the most important thing. Yeah, so a nomad, an individual who goes from place to place. He lived like a nomad. He found a job, would find a job and work for a short while, and then move on to the next place. So he never stayed anywhere very long. Or maybe if you live in a family where one of your parents is a diplomat, then you may live in a rather nomadic lifestyle. You may go from place to place to place. Yeah, and well, I think a nomadic lifestyle can actually be quite interesting, but it's very often difficult to make stable long-term relationships and things like that. Yeah, so a nomad, a wanderer, a migrant, somebody who roves. Yeah, they're a rover. They go all over the place. They're continually moving from place to place, and they don't settle down. They don't have a fixed home. So I guess a tramp is a type of modern nomad who wanders from place to place, looking for an opportunity. So nomads, nomads are itinerant herdsmen. If you're itinerant, you go from place to place. An animal can be nomadic as well. Some animals have a territory and they live always in that territory. But there are other animals that are nomadic and just wander looking for an opportunity. Yeah, so this is the idea of a nomad or nomadic. Nomadic, formality. I've got to give it a 6, maybe even a 6.5. Nomadic. Yes, I guess you could use it informally. I think I would probably use the word roaming or wandering informally. I think better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek, nomadikos, which is the equivalent to nomad. these were herdsmen, or the group of society who looked after the herds of sheep and goats. And I think in those times you had to go wherever the pasture or the plants were green enough to feed your animals. If you stayed too long in one place, then there would be no food for your goats, for example. So, a nomad lives a nomadic lifestyle. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nomad, nomadic.